My bills were piling up. I knew I had to do something. I'm retired on a fixed income. And then it just came to me. Guinea pigs to generate electricity. Come here, Flossie. I figured 3 alone could power my almost modern computer, and that's exactly what they did. Now, this is the order. Lift your megaphone. Row. Row. Was it tough? Oh, you bet it was. I had one just about ready to go and lost him. Last anyone saw of him, he was headed towards the garage. Come on, clutch up on it. Come on. Come on, clutch it, wrap your fingers around it. Row.
Row?
Row.
Row?
Row.
Row?
Row.
Row?
Yes! But after 6 months of hard work, voila. And here we have them.
Row? Row?
Row.
Row?
They all have a lot to be proud of.